Good morning, people. Hier nieuw Cold for Cry. What we're going to do is a new chainsaw. It's a very small one. It's from Poulan. I got it in the box here, so we take it out and we will see what it is. Oh, racks, always good. Oh, here we got it. It's a Poulan micro. Yeah, I don't know how. This one is XX 25 deluxe. I don't know. Little damage here. Crack here. It's a really light, small saw. It's quite handy if it's working. It's quite handy to make this above your head. Exhaust is cracked. Oh, the choke is on there. What's this? Choke is here. Okay, choke is like that. What is this for a handle? On, I think on off handle. Okie dokie, okay. We take a look what's more in the box. Oh, yes. Oh, it's not the original blade, but it's quite small blade. It's new. The chain we got directly out of the knob. No, chain is good. It's a good used chain. Teeth are very small. Blade is not original. It's an organ of an Orego. Okay, it's still working. What we got in the saw, I think it's empty. Oh. The fuel is what is in was not so bad. Oh, the oil is over here. The oil is here. That's always stuck. Screwdriver. Look. Like that. Maybe here is some in, but I don't know. No, it's also empty. So it's completely empty. Testing of compression. Compression is okay. Okay, I can make a big round, or we can try start it directly to put some fuel in it, some lubrication oil from the chain. That we can also do like that. I think we'll lose parts in it. Also very good. Oh, it's very good used. Here you see the gear. I don't know what is in. Loose inside. I think we're going to do the quick test. But it's really light. It's a Poulan. It's the Micro Deluxe from 1977. 38cc 2-stroke mixed gas chainsaw. I put some gas oil. I want some gasoline inside, and then we try to start it. I think that's the quickest way. If it's not working, we can see further what we can do with it. Good idea. I take some gas. I do not put the blade on, so chain oil is not so not so important at that moment. I think it's not so long ago that they use it. I don't know for sure, but we will see. I will pause you. I take some gasoline or mixed fuel, and then we see what it will do. I see you about a minute. There we are. I put some mixed fuel in. I'm using Aspen synthetic fuel. Yeah, it will not tear down. It will always stay okay. They say. So I put you like this. Some gasoline. Okie dokie. A little bit more. Like that. Should be enough. Oh yeah, it's almost full. It's really small tank, I see. So that's the mixture fuel we need. Now we try to start. I don't know what is working, so I will try something out. I think this off, that's on. Choke on the top, it's like that. Gas handle, I'm hoping it will doing it something, so we try. Choke closed. Nothing yet. Like this. That was a very quick one, and almost full pull. This one was standing on off, so it was like that. Try it again. Okay, the big tour is not necessary. It runs very quick. I make the blade on it, and we take a look if the chain will run it with the gear, and then we do some lubrication oil inside, and then we got a very nice, very light top handle from work above your head to take the tree out. I will put the blade on, and then we do a little startup again, and we will see what's happened then. So I will pause you because putting a blade on is not so not so impressive work. Okay, I see you very quick. So I take the cover off. So here we see the clutch. This one is okay. That's the spanner. We take a look. What is a little bit loose, but okay. Never mind. We put the like that. The chain. I'll take you a little bit from here. Maybe you can see a little bit more than watching my back. Yeah, I got the little tripod. It's not so handy, but okay. Okay, put the chain there. You must put on a good that the sharp edge is on the front, like that. A little bit back, go a little back. Come on. Oh, the spanner must be a little bit back. Otherwise, it will not fit the chain. Almost. Back up, back up, back up. Like that. That's enough. Chain on. And then we will tighten it a little bit more. Yes, that one is in. Now we must hoping it will be running. Okay, yeah. Not very well, but I hope it will be coming in the forward. Otherwise we get a very loose chain. Okay, there he's coming. He has a lot of worn out. Okay, it's working, but it's very narrow here. I can't, but you see the chain will straight up. Not so important to, but it's handy that we got this chain so ready for the summer. Like that, a little bit more. I like that. Put the cover on. Like that. The nut is metric. That's quite special for an USA made chainsaw. Yeah, it's a little tight, but the screw in the back. Fix that first. This one. And then we try again. If the chain will go with the gear. Like that. Then metric 13. Okie dokie. A little bit too tight. I will loosen it a little bit up. A little bit. Because it is too tight. Like that. We can see what it will do. Okay, now we got the chain on, so I must put some chain oil in. Like that, I will pause you for 1 minute. So there I am. I put some chain oil in. Yeah, try a restart, and then we can see what it do. It's a neat little saw. Okay, I tried to start it again. This was off. Put it on. Okay. Little throttle. Yeah, he will come. Yeah, the carburetor should be a little bit set up because it's running high throttle, idle, low, high, low. But that's, for me, it's not a big problem. The chain and the gear is working okay. So I think we got a quite nice little handy saw to work above your head. So I thank you very much for watching this Koolstofvrij, and see you next time.